So what of where we have a question like this? Find, maybe a question is asking us to calculate the distance of a chord of a length 16 centimeter from the center of a radius of 12 centimeter. That means since we see chord and radius, it has to do with cycle. It has to do with angle in a cycle. And since the question is also relating to radius, the radius is any line that move from the center like this. What we see half of a diameter, we call that a radius. So this is a chord. This is your chord. Now this is line. Let's call this one line AB, and maybe to center O. Maybe this place. The question says 12 centimeter, and from here to here, let's call this side X. The line AB, which is the length, the distance of a chord of length 16 centimeter. The length is given as 16 centimeter. That is from this side from A to B is 16 centimeter. So now looking at this now, we can figure out some things. We have AO, line AO, it's giving you 12 centimeter, and we have AB equal to our AB is 16 centimeter. The dot from here we don't know. Our OX is unknown. Our AX we have from A to X. This can be deducted from AB is equal to AB divided by 2, which is equal to 16 divided by 2, we have 8. So our AX is equal to 8 centimeter. So easily I can use Pythagoras theory using Pythagoras theory Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. According to the law of Pythagoras theorem, says the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the square of the sum of the other two sides. So the square of the hypotenuse side, this is the longest side here. So if I want to translate this to Pythagoras theory, I will have AO like OO square to be equal to OX like OX square plus line AX square. So I will make, and if you look at it very well, the only thing that is not given is OX from here. So I'm going to make the OX the subject of the formula. The OX, I will make it the subject of the formula. I've explained changing the subject of the formula in previous classes. So we are going to make this to come here. And the only way is to subtract your AX from both sides. So that we have line OX square to be equal to AO square minus AX square. So from that, if we judge it from the question here, our AO is 12. That's 12 square 12 square minus our AX is 8, and then we square. So your line OX square, we give you this. So square root of 12 is going to be 144. Square root of 64 is square root of 8 rather is equal to 64. Don't forget OX square. So when you do the arithmetics, if you subtract 64 out of 144, we are going to have 80. We are going to have 80. OX square is equal to 80. So square both sides. We have OX to be equal to square root of 80. So if you press your calculator, the square root of 80 will give you 8.7. Let's confirm that from our calculator, or 8.9. Give us 8.9. 8, the square root of 80, that's 8.9 is the correct one. 8.9 centimeter. 8.9 centimeter. So this is how to go about the question where you are to find the distance of a chord in this type of question. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.